Chapter 14, the last chapter, logistics, location, and layout. Logistics, this one is similar to supply chain management. In supply chain, materials information flow through that supply chain. Logistics is similar. The management functions that support the cycle, complete cycle of material flow. So in supply chain, materials, parts, final products, they flow in that supply chain network. So manage those functions. That is logistics. Third-party logistics company. Companies that specialize in logistics, such as UPS, FedEx, mailing service, and trucking companies, and so on. They are logistic companies. Hyundai case, Hyundai has one of the subsidiaries. The company's name is Globis. That company is Hyundai and Kia's logistic company. So Hyundai used other third-party logistic company and also using own logistic company. That is Globis. Decisions related to logistics. The transportation is important in logistics, so many key decision things such as proximity companies, total cost, labor, and so on. So based on many factors, they decide logistic and location. Okay, location. If they want to open new store, if they want to build a new plant, and so on, then they can use location method, many location method deciding. One of them is factor rating system. If there are multiple candidate location, then using this factor rating system, so based on what is the important factors, such as customer, total cost, and so on, those based on those factors, and then give them kind of a weight. So more important factor given a higher weight and so on, then evaluate multiple those factors. Example here. Maybe this one is like a plant or a warehouse. Then two candidate locations. Then factors. Fuels in region. Maybe this one is the highest important factor. So give a highest weight, and so on, and evaluate each location's factor weighting, and then add all factors score, and then higher location kind of winner. So take this location. So this is a factor weighting system. And another location method, using transportation method of linear programming, we can decide location. This transportation method is similar to assignment method earlier you did. So N to N, maybe N to N, maybe N to M. Usually the same destination, supplier and destination, usually the same number match. If the number of suppliers and then destinations different, then make dummy like a supplier or a destination, then match the same number. This one is, if this class is like a management science class, then usually we cover this transportation in detail. But this one is undergraduate level operations management. So I'm not going to cover this in detail, but just to let you know, we can use transportation method for deciding location. Next one, centroid method. If there are some existing locations, then based on those locations, if a company needs like a distribution center or a new store location, then maybe among those existing locations, center point may be the best place. So find center point that is centroid method. Example here, existing locations, Long Beach, Anaheim, Le Havre, Glendale, Thousand Oaks. Those cities are Southern California locations. And then each location needs kind of supplies or demand. For this location, gallons of gasoline, each location need. And coordinate, X coordinate and Y coordinate of each location. So based on these locations, X coordinate and Y coordinate, and the demand or supply required, we can use formula like this. Center point, X coordinate, and then Y coordinate. Sum of X coordinate and Y coordinate times each location's volume, then add all, divided by total required demand or supply. So center points X coordinate. First locations X coordinate times first locations volume plus second locations X coordinate times volume and so on divided by total volume. Then center point X coordinate is 308. Then Y coordinate the same. First locations Y coordinate times volume and so on, then 217. So center points, centroid X coordinate and Y coordinate. So using this centroid method, we can find certain location based on existing location. And layout, layout is one of the key decisions in operations management. So it establishes an organization's comparative priorities in regard to capacity, process, flexibility, and cost, and then quality of work life, customer contact, and image. So better layout design affects like a capacity, process, fast, flexibility, cost, and so on. So layout design or decision can lead and make better, cheaper, faster. So layout is now one of the operations management key decision. When we design layout, we should consider utilization. So a better layout improve utilization of space, equipment, and people, and then also improve flow, and then improve employer moral and safe. So when I don't know if had something some like a chance to visit certain plant, manufacturing plant or somewhere. They designed the layout. Many cases they are concerned about safe. So sometimes you can see a yellow line, kind of give them like a limit space, something like that. So many cases in a plant, manufacturing plant, they concern about safe, and then improve customer interaction. So many cases in retail store, they concern about interaction, how we interact with the customer. And then flexibility, if they need something change, then easily and then fast change. So layout design concern those things. Types of layout. During this semester, I mentioned sometimes about layout. Work center or functional layout type. If there are many types of product or process, different types, but each type's volume is small, then need customization. So something process or product needs customization. Then this type, workstation type or functional layout type is good for that kind of product or process. That is an office layout, retail layout, warehouse type layout. If I draw this type of layout, looks like this. For a retail store type, it's like an aisle type. Oops, why is diagonal? So aisle 1, 2, 3. Then first customer need something, and then this one, and then out. Certain customer need this aisle 2, 3 here, and so many different types of the process or product. Then obvious layout type, and then retail type, warehouse type is proper for those kind of products. And then assembly line type. Usually assembly line type is straight line layout. So flow like this. So this one is product oriented layout. So same product flow on this process layout. So assembly line balancing is important, like the capacity of each one or capacity of certain station, same. Then manufacturing cell layout. Another name of this layout is cellular layout and work cell layout. So using group technology, then make a cell. I think I mentioned this one earlier. So if this is workstation type, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, workstation type or office type, office layout type. So type A need 1 and 2, maybe 5. And type B need 1, 2, 6. Type C need 4, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5. Type D need 3, 4, 6. Then using group technology, then means group similar process among them. Then make cell, 3 cells, like this one consists of 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and 5, 6. So before using this group technology, type A come in 1 and 2, and then 5, and then out. Type B 1 and 2, 6, and then out. C 3, 4, 5, and out. Type D 3, 4, 6, and out, like this. This case, this path for a product very complicated, and then moving distance is long. Using this cellular layout, type A come 1, 2, and 5, and then out. Type B 1, 2, 5, and out, and then C type 3, 5, and out, and then last one D 6 and out like this. So make the path simple. Then this one more simple, and then moving distance also shorter. So from this workstation type or functional layout type, if we can find the common similar process, then we can make a cell and cell layout. And then project layout. Usually when we say project, then usually the product is a large one. So project layout, product fix, and then workers or equipment move around the product. So we call this fixed position layout. Okay. That's all. Today's lecture is quite short, but anyway, that's all. Okay, we done every chapters for this semester. So as I mentioned earlier, still you have quiz number 5. And then final. So I will tell about the grading. Just a moment, I need a blank. I'm thinking about the grading. This semester, because of a pandemic and our class is hybrid, so I told earlier I will not count attendance. So attendance 0% for this semester. And you did and then take quizzes. So quiz and assignment 30%. Then midterm 35%. And final 35%. So still you have 35%, and then one quiz. So maybe 1.5% for each, maybe 2%. 2.0. So still you have 37%, about 37%, not done yet. So still you have a chance improve your grade. you can improve, but you can your grade drop a lot. It's up to you. So prepare final and then the quiz number 5 well, and then get more percent of this grade. So still there is chance, okay? So hopefully you prepare well and then get good grade to finish this semester and this course. Okay, any question about remaining quiz and final, or any question?
When is quiz 5?
Just a moment.
Should be next Monday, I think.
Yes. Next Monday. So this Wednesday, no class. It's a Thanksgiving holiday. Then next Monday, I will review, go over with quiz assignment 5 and quiz 2, 3, 4 questions. After a review, then you will take a quiz number 5. Quiz number 5 is similar to quiz number 1. From chapter 8 to 15, no calculation question. All questions are terminology and concept. So type of question will be true or false type mainly, and then maybe a couple of multiple choice questions. Any question? Okay, if you don't have a question, you can leave. And then if we want to take missing quiz, stay and see you next Monday. And happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, Dr. Kim.
Happy Thanksgiving,
Thank you.
Dr. Kim.
Thank you.
I just have one more question.
Yes.
Are you doing the final as in you can give it out on a certain day of finals week and we have till the last finals week day to turn it in? Or are you just going to do like a proctor thing again, like all the quizzes?
Proctor.
Is
like
it
when you took the midterm?
Is it going to be like the on Wednesday then, or other schedule or class time that we typically have it?
If other students agree, then I can move to December 3rd.
All right. Thanks for letting me know.
So,
have a good Thanksgiving.
Next Monday, I will ask a student if we can move to 3rd of December.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you very much and have a good Thanksgiving.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. May you need to take that missing quiz number 4.
Yes.
And then Oma, you need to take. And then Kathleen, you need to take. Okay, just a moment. I will send you quiz question. Okay. Just a moment. I emailed you. Check your email.